Throughout the summer, weather around the Northeast has ranged from extreme heat waves to storms that brought in inches of rain only weeks apart from each other. Just last weekend, Hurricane Debby was the latest weather phenomenon to completely run through the Northeast. The storm left many farmers scrambling as it blew away sheds, misplaced livestock, and tore up crops that had been growing throughout the summer.
We know a couple of farmers who had their barns collapse because of the winds and the rain. It drenched their fields and they lost a lot of crop.
Some, the storm took away more than just their home. Many on farms saw their animals either drown or be lost during the high winds and pouring rain, with families around the Northeast losing their beloved pets during the hurricane.
It's really rough. I know farmers who lost sheds. I know families who have lost pets. So a lot of people were affected by the storms.
Around affected areas such as Chicago and South Carolina and much through the Northeast, it's reported that over 200 pets were misplaced during the storm. Local farmer Stewart Microgreens is looking to help local shelters find misplaced pets a new home.
Those that lost pets, we're developing a microgreen growing kit that portion of the proceeds will be going to the SPCA to be as a fundraiser.
As families around the Northeast continue cleanup, many will be looking for misplaced pets, while farmers look for ways to replace livestock that's been lost. Dante Brown, Big Fox News, Corning.